All right, guys, so this is it. This is the new setup, the new camera with the microphone attached to it. It's pretty obnoxious is what Chelsea's thinking over here.
Really obnoxious. I'm not going out in public with him.
So this is all the way zoomed in on the new lens, but let me show you why I got this. This is just the wide angle here. We're gonna back it out. So see how much more you can get in frame there, and it's just gonna help us, I think, as we're walking around being able to show these cathedrals and all these buildings, just the full scope of it. What I was using before was a Canon, it's a G7X Mark II, and it's a great camera. It's a point and shoot. It fits in your pocket. It's got a little flip screen so you're able to see yourself as you're going through and filming. And it works really well in low light. So this is the one that we're going to continue to use when we're walking around towns at night or get to the Christmas markets, that kind of stuff. Definitely one that I'm still going to carry with me. But this new camera hopefully is just going to add some better image quality, some better sound, and just stepping it up a little bit. So we just wanted to share because today's an exciting day.
Yeah, so at 11:30, so like in less than an hour, they're supposed to do inspection on our house. So if it passes inspection, we will go sign the lease at 12:30, and then we get a key and we move in. If not, we stay in TLF. We stay somewhere. I don't know where.
We're gonna be homeless in a little bit. We've heard that they fail inspections for random things, like they forget to put the outlet covers back on after they paint. So the company we're using is really popular with military, and we're just hoping that there's no issue.
They know like what to expect and that they're looking for with the inspection.
Exactly. So we're crossing our fingers we get that phone call just saying, hey, come sign your lease, and hopefully the next shot here is just going to be showing off the new house.
Yeah, I think my mom said we've lived in since we've moved out of Dover, in like a month span, we've slept in like 5 different places.
Right.
So like we slept in the Dover house, Dover TLF, Tori and JT's house, the Marriott at the hotel,
Yep.
I mean at the airport, and now Lincoln Heath's TLF. So like when we move in, this will be our 6th place, and if we move in today, in a month.
Right.
Which is crazy.
So it's not so bad just being a month there, but
it is bad. Sleeping in 6 different places is bad.
It's been a little bit of a whirlwind there. So we'll figure it out, but we're going to spend one more night here in TLF just because we have our beds, and we're getting temporary furniture delivered tomorrow. So we'll have a bed and a table and some couches, that kind of stuff. So we'll show you guys around. We'll keep you updated, but today we're just excited and hopeful for that phone call here shortly.
Yeah.
All right, we did it. We got the keys.
All of the keys.
We'll have to go through and show you later, but when she brought out the keys, she's like, I'm bringing your house keys. We're thinking like 1 or 2 copies. No, there's like back door, front door, side door, garage door, the gate. Oil. So I think we have 12 keys apiece. We're both going to be janitors now. So super excited. We're signing all the paperwork, finished signing all the paperwork.
This is like also one of the first times that like I'm actually driving off base, and I still get nervous every time because I still have my Delaware plates, and I want to know if the police officers are going to pull me over.
Right. She's doing really well, but we're heading over to the house right now, so we'll show it to you soon. All right. So this is the front. The road's right there on the other side of that stone wall, and then this is our shed. Not really a garage, just a lot of storage there.
This is our porch front door.
Okay, give it some love.
No, it's locked. It's stuck right there. How do you do that?
Step 1, figure out how to get in your house.
Yeah.
So cool. Sonny's gonna love this gravel walkway here. All right, door number 1. Now we got a second door. Just old mail.
Yeah.
So the mail's going to come through the slip here. They don't have to come in the second door, and there's no real mailbox. So they just walk up through the gate, drop the mail in there, and Sonny and Hootie are going to enjoy that. Here we go. Maybe.
How do I get in? Oh, okay.
This is it.
We're going to be taking this down.
Yeah. So So right off the bat, we got to figure out how to get lights on and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and put the camera down, and we are just going to go and kind of explore for the first time, walk around. So we'll catch up, we'll do some more video, and once we get a better feel of the area here. So we'll get back with you guys shortly. All right, guys, so we got to fast forward 2 days ahead. We got here, we got inside the house, and we started showing you. And then we still had to clear out a TLF. We still had to do some other things. So we decided just to time out for a minute, get settled, and then Chelsea made Thanksgiving dinner yesterday. So we were a little busy, but now we want to show you around a little bit more. Just more overcast, traditional English weather that we're getting today.
This sign right here is coming down in 2 days. I made sure to ask.
Yeah, so we have a stone wall. Maybe you can peek like we showed upstairs, but the main road to base goes right along the side here. So you're gonna hear a lot of traffic, a lot of cars and stuff going past. And then the yard's actually pretty good size for the dogs. That was the big thing that we wanted for our dogs, was to have a good yard space and not just one of those little tiny plots where we gotta walk them all the time. So it's a good space.
We're not big fans of the stones. Sunny, come here.
Come on.
Come here.
Yeah, for some reason Sunny doesn't like touching the rocks, so she's always got to jump over. Go get your ball. Go. This is our shed, workshop / area, and this is going to be my space where I can just fill it with all my junk that I was talking about from Dover. So I got my big garage. So let me show you guys the inside. Chelsea's loving the rugs that we got set up here, but it's just to cover the concrete floor. But it's pretty decent workspace. So I've got a good workbench here, storage options underneath, and then just another workbench over here. I got rid of my miter saw, but this will be a good workspace if I do get another circular saw or something like that. And then just more storage that we'll add to there, some simple garden tools, and then another workbench. So plenty of room. It's not heated, so it's kind of chilly right now, but it's one of those things like I'm comfortable, and in the summertime it'll be a good workspace. So they actually had a mower that was on the door. I took it down, and it's an electric mower, which is very different for me. I've never really used these. It's always been gas, so I've been joking with my family about trying to use that. And then we got cans in here now that we're going to take out and put along the fence, but again, not a bad workspace. This is kind of a neat area I can personalize, make my own.
So this is our house. So this is the front door when you walk in, and the previous people had a dining room table here, so I think that's where we're gonna put ours. Just get like a big area rug and put our dining room table here. We have 2 French doors right there, and they open wide, and that's really nice. So like, since we don't have air conditioning here in the summer, then we'll be able to open them up and let the breeze come in. So on the side, this side of the fireplace, please cut my coughing out. We're gonna have it be like almost like a little office area. So when Kyle's on his computer, we're gonna go to IKEA. We're gonna get a nice desk and put it over here. We have a log burner here, so hopefully that's gonna make our house nice and warm when it gets really cold out. And then over here, I want to get like a really big armchair, like huge. So I'm really excited about that. And then also, these are not our decorations, they were left up. So like a lot of the wall stuff and the mirrors that you see up, we probably won't leave up. There's one upstairs that I really like though, so we're gonna keep that one. So if you go up the steps here, this is my favorite part of the house. It's our kitchen. So all this furniture is also rental furniture. So if you're ever wondering what the Air Force rental furniture looks like, this is it. It's actually really not that bad. I mean, it's not like ideal, but it's not terrible. So we have 2 ovens. One's a conventional and one's a convection or a fan oven. So last night when I cooked the turkey, it didn't fit in the regular oven, so I had to move it and put it in the other oven. It was really fun. We have glass cabinets, which are really cool. Kyle and I both really like the backsplash and the farm sink. So yeah, this is really nice. Aunt Wendy told me that these baskets were for potatoes and onions, but we're just gonna use them for bread. So, and then if you go this way, also look how low the door handles are here. It's like below my waist. I have to like bend down to open doors. In here, we found out that this is our boiler, so it's like our hot water tank. And then we have our washing machine, then dishwasher, then dryer. So we're really lucky that this house actually had a dishwasher. A lot of houses don't have them. And we're lucky because a lot of houses have the washing machine in the kitchen, and that was really different for us. So it's kind of cool that they're all in here. But I do like how it says use only one machine at a time. So like I can't like take a load out of the washing machine and then move it to the dryer and start a new load. I have to wait while doing dishes. We also put our calendar up, but this was the only nail hole here, so the dogs can see what day it is. So I'm on one of his steps, and Kyle's obviously taller than me, so just imagine him walking through this because he has to duck. I think I've seen him hit his head twice already.
Yeah, I might have to put some kind of padding up on that wall, or I'll just learn pretty quick.
Noodle.
Yeah.
This is Kyle's favorite part.
This is my little hobbit archway.
Yeah. Again, pretty sure we're just giants, so
yeah.
If you come this way, we still have a lot of our like bags out. But this is the first bathroom. And to come in here, you have to pull a string. That's how you turn the lights on. I still like reach for the light switch every time we come in here, but it's a string. So it's really nice. It's nice that we have 2 showers, and they're both power showers, which is a thing here. Just so the pressure is harder. And then we actually had a mirror in here, which is cool, and we'll probably keep this mirror because it's a nice mirror. And a lot of bathrooms here don't have mirrors in them, just like when they're renting out. But the funny thing about this bathroom is to get the shower to work, you have to turn the power on out here because it's an electric shower. So we were in there trying to figure out how to turn the shower on the whole time, and we had no idea what we were doing. And then we came out here and we're like, oh, there's a switch. So I'm sure when we have guests here, we'll just leave this switch on so then we don't have to be like, oh, don't forget to turn your shower on. This is our living room. It's pretty big, which is really nice. And we have wallpaper, and I think wallpaper is pretty trendy. It's not bad. It's like nice neutral colors, and it'll match our furniture that is coming. So we're gonna get an entertainment center over there when our TV finally comes. And then over here we also have another little electric heater, which it gets pretty warm. So that's really nice. So yeah, it's living room.
And then you want to show them how close we are to the street?
Oh yeah.
From here?
I didn't know when we got this house how close we were to the street.
There's a couple cars going by.
Yeah. So we're definitely gonna look for new blinds here. Up the steps, it's cool because there's an exposed beam right here. It's gonna be really funny to watch them bring up our mattresses because these are pretty tight. So Sunny's really afraid of the house, and she is normally in my shadow, but here she's been like extra on my shadow. Like she doesn't leave me alone. Hootie doesn't care. Kyle's favorite room is hot pink. We thought they were gonna paint when they moved out, but I guess not. So that's kind of cool for us to know because then we can paint this room whatever color we want, and then we don't have to paint it back. So if you come in, this is a nice added touch right here. It says, "Once upon a time." And then going across the hall, we decided that this is going to be Kyle's workout room just because this is where the tallest ceilings are in the house. So if he's ever doing like jumping jacks or jumping exercises, he won't hit his head. He'll probably hit his hands. And then this room is going to be our guest room. So it's pretty big. Our queen bed will fit in here nice. So we're definitely excited for people to come. Annie comes in like 3 weeks, and Morgan will be here, and Ashton will come in January too. So we're really excited for that. And then if you look out, I don't know if you can look. Over in this field this morning, we saw 3 cows, and then behind that we saw, and you might be able to see there's a bunch of sheep over there. So it's definitely cool. And we saw a cat in our yard this morning. So it's just like being at home in Dover because we had lots of cats. Messy with us just like moving stuff in, but I mean it's pretty cool. One thing in a lot of English houses, if not all of them, they have towel warmers, and like I was a little like, do you really think it's gonna work? It works. Like our towels are dry and warm when we get out of the shower. Also another interesting thing is our shower ends right here. So like Kyle and I have not figured out like how to not get water out everywhere, but I'm sure it's a learning process. But this moves in and out, and we have a nice rain shower. It's awesome. And this is our master bedroom. So usually master bedrooms are a lot bigger, but it's pretty big. I mean, some of the bedrooms we went in and looked at were super small. So we got a rental bed again from Base But the best part about it is, and I don't know if you can hear this, it's covered in plastic. So all night when we're sleeping, and I'm someone who rolls a lot, it's just like constant noise. It's really weird. But again, in here we have some wallpaper, but we're really lucky because this matches our quilt that's coming. So like this worked out perfectly that the room like colors will match our bed. Might paint these walls gray because right now they're kind of like a sky blue, but I mean, as of right now, it's not bad. We were also really smart and we sent sheets and our quilt before we got here. So now we're like set until all of our stuff comes here. And one last funny thing in this house is, look how short the light fixtures are. So definitely gonna have to figure something out because one, I don't really want a chandelier in our bedroom, but it's really low. So, and plus when our bed comes, it's gonna be long enough anyway for it to come out and not cover this, but we definitely want something in the ceiling here. So we'll probably get a nice big dresser and put our TV up right here. So we're excited.
All right, that's it. That's the house. Thanks so much for watching. Sorry that was a long one, but we had to go through and we just wanted to be thorough and show you everything. If you haven't already subscribed, I'm gonna put a little button right about here. Just click on that, subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment below. Let us know what you think of the new camera setup. Does it sound better? Does it look better? And then also let us know what you think of the new house. We hope you enjoy the rest of your Thanksgiving weekend and your time with family. Have a little bit more of those leftovers, and we'll catch you in the next one.